In this video, I'll be sharing with you essential tips and the practice that will help you to maintain your health. So generally, I will share with you the range of health tips that cover a deworming, general checkup, dental care, and many more. So if you want to stay healthy, please, I'm advising you to watch this video from the beginning up to the end. Also, if you are new here on this YouTube channel, please do well and support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and tap on notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. Also, don't forget that on this YouTube channel we are creating a content on sexual health, reproductive health, medical cases, health tips, and many more. So now, without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some series of practice and tips that will help you to stay healthy. So the first one is deworming. So let me ask you a question. How long have you dewormed yourself? So probably you don't have answer of this question because you have spent a long time without deworming yourself. What you don't know is that deworming is one of the positive health habits that can prevent you from various health issues. Normally in my community, people are not deworming themselves until they are sick. So if you want to stay healthy, so there is need for you to deworm yourself after each 6 months. So what many people don't know is that when you deworm yourself, this kind of health habit, it helps to flush out all the parasites inside your intestine, and this will prevent you from various health issues as I mentioned earlier. And this will improve and support your digestion more than your expectation. So that is why you shall be deworming yourself after 6 months as I mentioned before. Secondly is general checkup. Another question, how many times have you gone to hospital in order to get a general checkup? So probably you don't have answer of this question because you usually go to hospital when you are sick. What you don't know is that general checkup is playing a vital role in prevention of health issues inside your body. So there is need for you to keep having a regular medical checkup because this will allow your health care to identify the problem at the beginning and give you a right management that you deserve. So there is need for you to keep getting a regular medical checkup because this will prevent you from having a various health issue as I mentioned earlier. Thirdly is dental care. A lot of people don't know the importance of dentists until they spend a whole night dealing with tooth ache. So dental care is an integral part of your health. So if you want to stay healthy, there is need for you to keep visiting a dentist at least after every 6 months. Also, there is need for you to keep brushing your teeth at least once a day. Also, there is need for you to keep having a flossing at least once a day. Also, there is need for you to keep changing your toothbrush after every 3 months. So doing this kind of oral health habit will prevent you from various oral health issues like a gum bleeding, tooth decay, mouth odor, and many more. So that is why dental visit is very important more than your expectation. Number 4 is balanced diet. Apart from the aforementioned health practice, so there is need for you to keep getting a balanced diet like a fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and many more. This will not only help nourish your body, also they will help support and promote your immunity, and this will prevent you from having a various health issue. So that is why you shall be eating a balanced diet. Number 5 is hydration and proper water intake. So staying hydrated is the key in the maintaining of optimal health level. So that is why you should be drinking enough amount of water in order to stay healthy. What many people don't know is that drinking enough amount of water will not only help to regulate your body temperature, also it will support your digestion, also it will help to flush out all the toxins inside your body. So that is why you shall be drinking enough amount of water. Also, there are many people that are drinking a water wrongly. Based on my research, almost 90% of the people nowadays are drinking a water in a wrong way. So that is why I have created an informative video where I have talked about how to drink a water in a right way. So if you want to watch this video, so kindly check in the comment section. I have put the link on my video where I have talked about how to drink water in a right way. Number 6 is regular exercise. So getting a regular physical activity is a key in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So there is need for you to find a regular physical activity that you are enjoying and keep doing it at least a 30 minutes a day. It will be either swimming, dancing, jogging, running, or anything that you are enjoying which will help you to exercise your body. This will prevent you from various health issues like heart diseases and many more. Also, this will support your immunity and improve your brain health. So that is why you should be getting a regular physical activity. Number 7 is stress management. Stress management is the key for maintaining your physical and mental health. So that is why we shall be doing a stress reduction techniques. So there is need for you to find a stress reduction technique and keep doing it. It could be either yoga, meditation, or breathing techniques. This will help you to reduce your stress and improve your brain health and promote your health more than your expectation. So that is why we shall be incorporating a stress reduction techniques into our daily routine. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and educative, please I would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and share this video to your family and friends and comments like it. See you in the next video.